Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm doing really great. So, yeah, we are new to each other. Let's start with the introduction first.
Okay. Thank you for asking. My name is Susmita Kosi. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, now I'm pursuing master degree as well as I have done PGDC as a computer course also. And I'm married person and mother of one person. Nowadays, I'm totally homemaker. That's all about me. Thank you.
That's really
I would
nice.
like to
That's
know
really
about
nice.
you.
Sorry?
I would like to know about you. I know,
Yeah.
but just for viewers.
No.
Okay.
Yes, sure. My name is Karishma. I think you already know that. And I am from Gurgaon. I basically hail from Delhi. I've completed my education there. And presently, I'm an advocate. I have my own law firm. And also, I'm a mother of two kids and part time YouTuber also. Yeah, that's all
Uh,
about me.
that's great, good to know about you. But just I want to ask you first of all how you manage everything.
Every person asks the same question to me, but yes, now it is quite okay. I'm comfortable because I'm managing this thing from a like very long time now. It's been 1.5 years that I have been on YouTube, so now I'm habitual of that. So that's fine. I have a house help also, so that is the main reason that I can manage everything.
Yes, because you have two young kids and this is quite difficult to manage everything, you know. You do how job from home or you have to go office.
No, I don't need to go to office. I do it like from home. I have to attend hearings, but yes, I have to spend some time, like 2 to 3 hours, for my
Okay.
job also. And then for YouTube also, I have to spend at least 1 hour a day minimum. That is the minimum requirement
Yes,
because I
yes,
have to edit the videos and also it takes time. So, are you also a
yes.
YouTuber or like?
Yes, recently I created my channel.
Okay, what is the name of your channel?
My channel name is Global English Quest.
Okay, Global English.
Quest.
Just a moment. Okay, sorry. I was listening random voice. Actually, I am not in Gurgaon right now. I am speaking to you from Delhi. I am at my mother's place. And yeah, I
Okay.
was asking you to join early because of my kids. The younger one is sleeping. So I thought, okay, once he'll be like waking up, it might be very difficult to take session because he
Yes,
started
yeah.
creating noise. Like the background noise is always there when he's waking up.
Yes, I can understand. You know, it's I'm facing like this problem also because my baby also 3 years old. And then I can understand,
Mm.
and I can understand also you have two kids. How you manage?
It is really difficult. Even I
Yeah.
personally feel that taking care of one kid is quite easy as compared to taking care of two kids. Earlier, I used to think that no, it must be easy. It might be easy. That's why people have to choose like two kids. Like so, but so I tried, but now I'm understand that it's not that easy. It's a really very difficult task. Very difficult.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can understand.
So,
Mhm.
like, why are you learning English? I can see that your English is already good. Are you teaching English or something like that, or you're learning
Oh,
English?
no. Yes. I'm learning English. Recently, I created YouTube channel also, and especially everywhere it's need English. You know, if we go everywhere, then definitely we have to speak English. And in future, now my baby is young, so if I get chance in future, definitely I will try to do job. So I have to give interview by this language. That's why I'm polish my language.
Okay, that's great. So, are you also practicing regularly, like on daily basis?
Yes, daily basis I do. But before 2 days I was not able to practice, but now I today also come.
Okay, that's really nice. Okay, so what kind of job would you like to do? Like being a housewife, it's very difficult to spend 9 to 5 timing, like daily basis to go for a job. So, what kind of job you want for yourself?
I'm a good in computer, so I have done computer course
Okay.
also. So
Mhm.
I will search from like a computer related job in future because I'm living here as a nuclear family, so I have to take care of my baby first. It's my first responsibility, you know.
Yes.
So let's see when he grown up, then I will search again. Before marriage,
Okay.
I used to do job as a computer teacher in institute.
Okay, that's great. Teaching job is really amazing, I feel.
Yeah, it's very comfortable and respectful. Yeah, everything is
Respect.
okay. No? Yeah.
Yes. I also like these kinds of job because you get such kind of respect that you really wanted to do this kind of job. You wanted to give time and you personally like doing it.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm
Yeah.
getting call again and again.
Okay, you can take. No
No,
problem. We
no,
have
no,
to
no.
add.
No, it's not personal call. It's call from Skype. Like I have messaged in the group. So no
Okay,
people
yeah.
calling me.
Yeah, it's happened.
It
It's
happens,
happened.
yeah, because they don't know that I'm connected with someone. So that's why they like keep trying.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, it's happened sometime. Okay. Okay, ma'am, your English also quite good, and just you are learning this language for a job purpose or any other reason?
My reason is that I love to speak with people, and that's why I am doing it. I love the way I
Okay.
like it. Like I have connected with different kind of people just to know about them, and also it helps me to improve my confidence as well as my speaking, my communication. Because when I've started my channel like 2 years ago, I was not like this. I used to speak broken English sometimes, or like I made a lot of grammatical errors. But just by the time and speaking practice, I became fluent now. So that is the reason, and I really wanted to reach an advanced level. I want to speak like with such grace, and I use some good words. Want to use, yeah, because right now I'm speaking very basic English, but yes, I want to improve, and that's the reason I'm practicing regularly.
Yeah, it's very time taking process. It's not easy, overnight or overday. It's not it's not
Yes.
possible to learn. Yeah, if I able to speak, basic English, that is enough, I think, in this time. If we continue regularly practicing, then definitely we will start again advanced words also.
Yeah,
Yes.
that is absolutely true. You see, I am very much satisfied about my speaking. There's no such issues with me. But you know what?
Yeah.
Now I have a channel. I am a kind of person like who loves to create video, and I'm going to do it for a long time. So for
Yes.
that reason, I want improvement so that I can share my knowledge with other people who are watching me, and they can also learn something from me. Because there is
Yes.
no benefit if you're learning for yourself and nobody is learning from you. So I love this thing that along with me, people should also learn. So if I'm including good words, good vocabularies, and I'm speaking in such a way that it attracts people, then only people will love, taking suggestions from me. So that is the reason I want to learn advanced level of English. Otherwise, I'm completely satisfied with my language. I got this comment very often that, ma'am, you're speaking very basic English, and I understand each and every word you speak. So that's why, like, people are watching my channel.
Yes, yes, definitely. Your English is very, speak is very clear, and your pronunciation is very clear to understand. It's easy to understand for everyone. That is
Thank you.
good.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, I also watch your channels. I like your voice as well, and pronunciation. You do correctly pronunciation every word and clearly. Sometimes some people told like this, very fast they speak. It's very hard to understand. Now your voice is very clear, and it's very easy to understand everyone.
That's
Because
great. That's
in my initial time, I used to watch your videos. I think your
okay.
baby also, your baby also speak English.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I
I
ha
have, yeah, I
I
have
saw you.
created a few videos with him and I have already posted them on my channel. When he was 3, he started speaking with me, and actually we both of us learned together. We used to watch YouTube videos, listening, and this is how we both learn at the same time, and then we start practicing with each other. That's the main thing. And
Yes,
this is
yes,
how I achieve this level, at least, that where I'm able to speak with anyone. I can speak with anyone, like with the strangers also. I can speak on stage also. So now I became confident just because of practicing daily. That is the only reason. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, they are our practice partner. My baby also 3 years old now. He able to understand everything, and he speak also with me.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah.
That is the only
Now,
way of learning English.
yes, yes. He is my partner and supporter, biggest supporter to learn this language.
That's great. And this is how we learn actually. When we create our own environment with English
Yes,
language, then only it comes to us. Then only we are able to speak. If we will think in mind, okay, that now I understand everything, I will start speaking, that will never come to us. We should start instead of thinking like we have to start. So that is the
yes.
great way, I think.
Yeah, I think in this language, by this language, you got achieve as a Joe dog. You have
Yes.
you got a chance to go there. How was your experience?
My experience was good. I feel more confident now. As I told you that before Josh Talk, I have never spoke on stage, but when I got the chance to speak like there, it's such a very like it's very great for me. I get this exposure so that I can express myself on stage. In
Yeah.
starting, you feel little bit nervousness, but after some time, when you come in the flow, you feel comfortable, and it happens with everyone. Like first few seconds on the stage are the time like when you feel nervous, but after that everything goes smoothly. Yeah, so it was such a nice experience.
Yes, yes, yeah, you can say it's a very good achievement, after learning this language and after doing this work. That's
Yeah,
what
you
good
can say
experience.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Okay,
so
I want
what
to connect with you.
they
So,
email
yes,
me.
okay, the mail.
That is the
Okay.
basic process. Like everyone, if we want to connect with any other person, there's only one thing which like approach. We approach through emails only. Even like now, if I'm connecting you like through the group, but if it is not exist, what mode I will take? Like I always start with the email. I send an email to a person. Similarly, they used to do. They always send
Okay.
email to person, and then the communication happen, and then they invite you. So yeah, it's easy for me because that is in Gurgaon only. If their
Yes.
office might be like any other place, I won't be able to go there. 100% I won't go. But just because that is also in Gurgaon and that is very near to my house, so that's the thing which
Okay.
like that is the reason it became possible.
That is was your plus point.
Yeah, because having a kids, you cannot leave them alone. Not for
Yeah.
even a day or for like one day is very like long day for like leaving kids alone. So it was only about 2 to 3 hours, and I was able to manage that thing. Yeah,
I
that
was
would be
waiting for
fine.
you to talking for a very long time, but I understand your problem. I can understand because I'm also a small kid's mother. So yeah, I was thinking about for a long time to talk with you.
Okay, did you also send me email?
No, not from
No.
email, but yeah, by this message on this group.
Okay, okay, okay. Because
Yeah, but
sometimes it happens. Sorry.
yeah, go ahead, please.
No, sometimes it happens like the people who already emailed me, I got them on the group also. So that is very convenient for me because I don't need to reply their email, and if I am directly connecting to them. So that is why I asked you this question.
Okay, I think you are not able to connect with email person. Yeah,
You are
I can
right.
understand.
You are right.
Yeah, because making time and a fixed time, it's very difficult for kids mothers. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Being a mother, it's not possible that I can commit a time, okay, that I'll connect to you this time. So it's not possible for me. And that is why, like, people always ask me in the comment section that, ma'am, we want to talk to you, how to connect. So I answer them, like, just mail me, but send me your Skype ID along with that so that I can accept your invitation right at the moment. And then in future, maybe we can connect whenever I'll have time. But
Yes.
unfortunately, I'm not taking those people like who emailed me. I'm taking the people only from the group these days. So I'm sorry for those people. They might be watching my video, and you should understand that this time, like my kid is very small. So once he'll be grown up, then I'll surely given time and allot time, and then I'll have conversation. Yeah. But for now,
Yes.
it will like go like this.
Yeah, it's very difficult. What he is doing now? He is sleeping?
He's just in front of me and he's sleeping. My both of kids are sleeping this moment. One is
Okay,
sleeping
that's
in
my
another room, and the younger one is in just in front of me. So that is why that I'm having this session very peacefully. There is no disturbance, no background noise.
Yes, yes, yes. When you message, then I was also putting my baby sleep. That's why I
Okay.
told you 10 minutes, but he sleep so early. That's why I'm able to come again.
Okay, no, I still remember that yesterday I had a session with English Yari, the tutor, and my both kids were like awake that time, and they both were making noise, a lot of noise, and it can noticed like in my videos also like background noise is coming. So sometimes it doesn't look good because people are not able to hear the communication. Instead, they interrupt with the voices. So I always try that I should have session only when they're sleeping, Sometimes it's not possible, sometimes it's possible. Yeah.
Yes, yes, because you have both kids. So
Yeah.
if one sleep, then other one wake up, other one sleep, then other one wake up. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah, yeah. So it's going on. So where are you living currently? Like you're in the UP?
yeah, UP near Ghaziabad,
Where?
Hapur district.
Ghaziabad. Okay, okay. And what your husband does?
My husband does is professor.
Okay, he's a professor. That's great. Okay. You also we want to become like you want to work with the computer field. You want to become a teacher of computer, something like that?
Yeah, yeah. If I get chance to teacher, then I used to
Okay.
teach as a computer institute earlier before marriage, but it's a very long time. It's gap. I think five
There's a long
years.
gap. Yes. Yes.
That's why I think I have to do practice again.
Again. Yes. And the same happened with me. When I quit my job, it took me like 4 to 5 years to came back. And when my kid started going school, like after 3 years, you does your kid go to school?
Yeah, he start to go to school now, but it's off day. It's going on.
Yeah. So after that, you might be think of working, but from home again, not like you cannot do job. You have to
Yes.
wait another 5 to 7 years, I think. 4 to 5 years minimum.
Okay. Yeah, it's again start. It's a little bit difficult.
It is also difficult.
Yeah,
Yes.
do practice. Yeah, if we do practice, then definitely we will recover everything. Remember everything.
Yes. Yes. Okay, then Sushmita Kaushik, it's nice talking to you, and yeah, lovely talking. Please message me your channel name. I would love to visit that, and
Okay.
probably I will post this video on my channel. And yeah,
Sure.
thanks for joining so quickly.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.